Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is Crystal, and in today's video, I'm going to review a product from O2O. O2O is one of my favorite makeup brands. Tanggalin ko lang yung mga products dito na hindi from O2O because this video is just going to be about O2O. Bumili pala ako ng makeup from them. Binigyan nila ako ng free makeup bag, or free bag. Thank you again, O2O, for the free bag. I really appreciate it. Ang ganda nung bag. Perfect beach bag talaga to. Ito kasi hindi to binibenta ng O2O. This is actually a gift from O2O. So, not everyone has this bag or not everyone can get this bag. So, sobrang memorable sa akin to. And yeah, let's go ahead and I'll show you yung mga binili kong makeup from O2O. Itong product na to, medyo nag-viral to recently because it's all over TikTok, it's all over social media, and maraming mga influencers na nag-review talaga nito. Yung tawag dito is the Glow Color Bounce Blush Mousse. Ayan siya. So, para siyang matte mousse cream blush formula. And I got not only one, not only two, but I got 3 of them. Honestly, before I got these, akala ko okay na ako sa mga cream blushes ko. I have enough cream blushes and I'm really satisfied with my cream blushes. I like a lot of my cream blushes, pero I'm still looking for something else, something that's more easy to blend, something that's brighter on my cheeks. So, I will show you very quickly lang yung collection ko ng cream blushes ko. And this is not even all of it, but look at that. Sobrang dami kong cream blushes dito, and I'm still looking for more. I had the face na talagang ang ginagamit ko lang is cream blushes, liquid blushes, and I stopped using them for a while because feeling ko hindi na siya ganun kaganda i-blend on my cheeks. I don't know what happened. Is it because of my new skincare routine? I don't know. Pero nung na-try ko to dun sa mall, I was like, that's gonna work for me. So, ito siya. Sinwatch ko talaga dun sa SM department store and sobrang nagustuhan ko yung formula. By the way, look at the box. This is like super luxury. It feels expensive. It feels like as if I'm holding a Fenty Beauty makeup or kaya naman Rare Beauty. Very clean and then very sleek lang talaga niya. And you can see para siyang may marble effect or granite effect. Wait until you see what's inside. Guys. This was only 160 plus something. Very affordable lang naman talaga everything from O2O. And I have been reviewing O2O makeup products way back. The price has been very affordable, which is why sobrang sumikat talaga yung brand nila. So, the first shade that I got is 04. Ito siya. Tapos, ito yung packaging nila. Super nice. Wait lang, i-wipe ko lang. Nagkaroon na siya ng fingerprint. I want you guys kasi to see it na sobrang shiny. So, ito yung product nila, O2O. Super cute talaga nung tube nila. And, para siyang lipstick na ganyan siya, retractable. Is it retractable? So, retractable siya. Tapos, babalik din siya pababa. My only concern with this packaging is yung, niya, ito yung ilalim niya. So, pag itatayo nyo siya sa table nyo, may tendency siya na mabagsak. And baka matanggal yung product sa loob. But anyway, ito yung first shade and yan yung shade niya. Ang cute nung pinaka cream blush, 'di ba? Naka-shape siya ng ganyan. So I have never seen anything like this from a local brand, or well, this is not local pala. This is a Chinese brand, pero they entered the Filipino market na, so sobrang success talaga sila dito. So this is the first shade. That's how it looks like swatched directly from the tube, and then ito naman yung itsura niya pag binlend nyo siya. Sobrang blendable niya. Ito yung nagustuhan ko doon. And while I'm blending it, parang wala lang ako talagang product between my finger and my wrist. Sobrang lightweight. Super lightweight, and I'm not applying any pressure at all. Very blendable siya. And as you can see naman, I'm barely adding any pressure, pero blended na siya. Well blended na siya immediately. Okay. Oh my gosh. I am back. Swatch is still here. So, I had to take mga 30-minute break lang because Honor called me. We had dinner. He cooked chicken with pasta. So, I had to eat first. So, medyo nag-oily na ako. I have to just fix myself a little bit. Okay. So, saan na ba ako? So, yun. Ito yung swatch. Nag-wash ako ng hand and nandun pa din yung swatch ko. See, it's still a little wet, diba? Oh, it's still there, still intact. Hindi naman siya nag-smudge. Okay, so moving on to the next shade. So this is the shade 06. And ito yung pink. Wait lang, basta. Ito naman yung isa daw sa mga best sellers nila. Very, very pretty, sweet pink siya. Para siyang carnation pink. You know yung pink dun sa Crayola? Parang ganun siya, and that is exactly the color I'm looking for. Sobrang dali niyang i-blend. Parang wala lang akong biniblend, I swear. Pigmented siya, but it's very lightweight, easy to blend. When you blend it, it blends into this beautiful soft pink. I really love the formula. I can't wait to show you guys how it looks on my cheeks. For the last shade naman, I have the shade 02 here. This is the red one. And itong shade na to, binili ko to mostly to use for my lips. But you know what? Because I love you guys, I will swatch all of these on my cheeks so you guys can see. Both on my cheeks and on my lips na rin lang. Yan. So this is how this one looks like once you blend it. Okay, so lip and cheek swatches in 3, 2, 1. Guys, so kakatapos ko lang is-swatch yung cream blushes on my cheeks and on my lips. I am completely blown away and shocked about the quality of the blushes. They really feel high-end. Wala din siyang scent na matapang na, di ba yung ibang cheap na makeup, may amoy siya na sobrang tapang. Ito, very light scent lang siya na parang di mo siya maamoy when you apply it on your cheeks. And even on your lips, wala kang malalasahan na lasang fragrance oil. Yung 02, ito yung gamit ko on my lips right now. And itong shade na to, binili ko talaga to mostly for my lips because I really love this color. Kasi ito yung red na bagay sa akin and sobrang gandang red niya, guys. If you want like a strawberry red lipstick or like lip stain, ito yun. Ito talaga yun. I think this is gonna be my favorite everyday lip color. Even wala akong makeup, I'll just apply this on my lips. And yung maganda kasi dito sa product na to is mukha siyang lip tint, but pantay siya on my upper and lower lip. Kasi diba sa lip tint, sometimes dito lang siya dumidikit and on my sa upper lip hindi masyado. So hindi siya pantay. Also, yung lip tints tend to dry my lips a lot. Pero this one is very moisturizing, but at the same time, it's like matte. It's not shiny. So even on my cheeks now, you'll see it's moisturizing, but it has like a slight glow, but it's not sticky or anything like that. So this is gonna be my new favorite lip color. I'm also gonna be using it on my cheeks sometimes, kaya hindi ko siya ina-apply on my lips directly from the stick because ayoko na makontaminate yung product. So finger muna on the stick, or sometimes I apply it on the back of my hand tapos doon ako kukuha. And on my cheeks naman, I have this color in particular. Binili ko talaga to as a blush. This one, sobrang gandang pink nito, guys. Ito yung pinaka-perfect Ito talaga yung best of the best pink for my cheeks. Mas maganda yung color nito guys in real life than in pictures. In person, sobrang ganda talaga nitong pink na to. Again, this is 06. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching today's video. So for my next video, ito yung i-review ko, yung Says Lady Galaxy Highlighter. So if you guys want to see my review for this, ito siya. Yan. Very, very shimmery highlight. Just subscribe. Just subscribe and click the notification bell para ma-notify kayo whenever I upload a new video, and I hope to see you guys again next time.